Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, today we are going to start Unit 3 and its name is Life in Another Country. This unit develops your knowledge about life in other parts of the world. They compare life in Sialkot, Pakistan with that in Sydney, Australia. So, students, this is the story of two girls, Lisa and Nazia. Both are from different countries, like Lisa belongs to Sydney, Australia, and Nazia belongs to Sialkot, Pakistan. In this, Nazia write to an e-pal, and her name is Lisa, to help her improve her English. Alright, so here the word e-pal needs explanation. So the e-pal means that a person that you make friend with by sending emails, often somebody you have never met. So e-pal ऐसे फ्रेंड को कहते हैं कि जिसे आप कभी मिले नहीं हैं, लेकिन आप उसे जानते हैं, वो आपका फ्रेंड है. आप उसे लेटर्स लिखते हैं, मैसेजेस करते हैं या चैट करते हैं या कोई भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज़ करके उससे कांटेक्ट में है. तो ई-पाल ऐसे फ्रेंड को हम लोग कहते हैं. ऑल राइट. So, as Nazia has never met Lisa, but both are friends due to exchanging of messages or letters. Alright. So, Nazia belongs to Pakistan. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad and it is the flag of Pakistan. Alright. So, here I have Lisa. Lisa belongs to Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra, and Sydney, it's one of the biggest and major city. And here it is the map of Australia. Alright. So here I have a world map. So let's locate the places of Pakistan and Australia. So here above India, in the north of India, you can see the green, small green part of Pakistan. Alright, so here you can see Australia. Actually, Pakistan is in the continent of Asia and Australia is in the continent of Oceania. Alright, let's move. So students, here I have a map of Pakistan. So let's locate the Sialkot. And you know what, Sialkot is located in the northeast of Punjab. So here you can see that this is the whole area of Punjab. This is Punjab, and just below Islamabad you can see Sialkot, and it's near Chenab River. So here you can see the blue boundary, this blue line. This is the water channel of Chenab River, and it's near Sialkot. Sialkot is basically one of the capital city of Punjab, and it is located in E6 grid square. And you know what grid square is? Actually, grid square or grid of squares help the map reader to locate a place. Every place on the map is in one of the squares. Alright, so grid square पूरा का पूरा जो मैप होता है, और हर किस्म का मैप ग्रिड स्क्वायर्स में डिवाइडेड होता है, और ग्रिड स्क्वायर्स किसी भी मैप रीडर को ये हेल्प करते हैं कि वो कोई भी प्लेस को लोकेट कर सके. और हर प्लेस जो भी मैप के ऊपर इस वक्त मेंशन है या लिखी हुई है, ये किसी न किसी ग्रिड स्क्वायर में होती है. ऑलराइट, सो द सियालकोट इज़ इन E6 ग्रिड स्क्वायर. Okay, here I have a map of Australia. Obviously, Lisa belongs to Sydney, so let's locate Sydney first. So here you can see that Sydney is in east of Australia. This is Australia and Sydney is in the east. And it is located on Sydney's harbour, which is also very famous for the deepest natural harbour of the Sydney, Australia. So guys, here harbour means that a body of water where ship, boats or any other water transport can loading or unloading cargo. हार्बर एक ऐसी प्लेस होती है, इट इज़ द वाटर बॉडी जिसमें जहाँ पे बोट्स और शिप डॉक्ड होती हैं और अपने कार्गोज़ को वो लोड कर सकती हैं और अनलोड कर सकती हैं. ऑलराइट, and Australia, Sydney have a lots of beaches, and Canberra is the capital of Sydney. Sydney is one of the capital city of Australia, and capital is the capital city of Canberra is the capital city of Australia. All right, so now let's talk about Nazia's family. So student Nazia has two brothers and two sisters. Her father works in insurance company and her mother works at the university. And on the other hand, we have Lisa's family. So Lisa has no brother or sister. Her father works in bank and her mother is a teacher. All right. So what we have discussed in this chapter, we have discussed that this is the story of two girls, Lisa and Nazia. Lisa is basically belongs to Australia and Nazia belongs to Sialkot, Pakistan. So Nazia writes a letter to Lisa to help her improve her English. And we have located the place of Australia and Pakistan on the world map, and we have thoroughly discussed the individual maps of Pakistan and Australia. And we have tried to locate the places of Sialkot and Sydney as well. In other slides, we have discussed Nazia's and Lisa's family. Alright, so thank you so much for listening.